In this video, I am going to show you on how you can assign tasks in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, select the project that has the task where you want to assign members from. Let's have this project, for example. Go to your list view right here. And as you can see, I have an access to all of the tasks right here. Now, for me to assign a task, you're going to see under name is the task name, and then next to it is the assignee. By clicking here on the person with the plus icon, you can select a member on which you want to assign this specific task. So, for example, I'm going to assign myself, and then for the next process, I'm going to assign this member, and that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.